Hello student, my name is Padve Deepmala Arun, Department of Chemistry, RBNB College, Srirampur, District, Ahmednagar. Today we are going to start. The chapter is Introduction to Analytical Chemistry, 11th Standard Chemistry subject. In this chapter, last lecture we will discuss in that chapter what is meant by analytical chemistry, then analysis, which types of analysis is take place in the laboratories. We know that we discuss the qualitative analysis and quantitative analysis is briefly. Now in that lecture we also discuss the new point is accuracy and precision. It's a measurement of accuracy and precision. Now accuracy means aims of the measurement is to get the actual value. It's a main any types of measurement is called as a actual value, and it's a true value. It's called as a true value or accepted value. Nearest of the true value or nearest the one types of reading is a true value is also called as a accuracy. Means the accuracy is the measurements of any types of actual value is called as a true value, and nearest the true value is called as a accuracy. Now in that accuracy is a larger the accuracy, smaller the error. Means small types of error is given in that experiment, the accuracy is more. Okay, the accuracy is more. Now the accuracy is depends upon the sensitivity or least count of the measuring equipment. Accuracy is depends upon the sensitivity of least count or measuring the equipment. For example, here is a three types of situation. Now this is a burette. Three types of situation. In that situation, now three types of burette reading. Okay, in that burette reading, it's a 9.0, 10.0 and it's a 11.0. Now same here, 9.0, here is also 9.0, 10.0 and 11.0. In that three situation, it's a burette reading. The first two burette reading is, here is 10.2 ml, it's a first burette reading. Now here is second burette reading is also 10.2 ml, and in that third situation, here is it's a burette reading, and in that burette reading it's a error are present, and in that burette reading it's a error is a 0.1 ml. Here is a also 10.2 ml reading, and in that lies between the 10.2 ml and 10.3 ml. Okay, 10.2 ml or difference between the 10.3 ml. In that two reading, its a difference is 0.1 ml, and in that 0.1 ml, it's a error. It's called as a error. Okay, now this error is expressed and measurement the value. More error are present, the less accuracy is take place. That's why the less error in that experimentally or reading will be take place. Now the accuracy is more. Now the error is expressed as a two types of error. Now it's a error is expressed as a measurement of a two types of error. It's a absolute error and second one is a relative error. Here is the error is, there are two types of error. In that two types of error, it's a absolute error and relative error. Now absolute error means it corresponds to observed value minus true value. It corresponds to observed value minus true value. True value means any measurement to get an actual value is called as a true value. Now put that the value of the true value and observed value. Observed value means it's a observing those value is called as a observed value. Now absolute error is called as observed value minus true value. Okay, absolute error is correspond to observed value minus true value. Now next point is a relative error. Relative error means the absolute error is divided by the true value into 100%. The relative value is determined by the percentage. Now here is a 100% into the 100%. Mean absolute error divided by the true value is called as a relative error. The errors, there are two types of errors, and accuracy is expressed as a two form. It's a error, absolute error and relative error. Now the next point is a precision. Precision means the multiple reading of the same quantities are noted to minimize the error. Means multiple time we take place a reading and in that time we take place reading or error is minimized. More the minimizing error, the precision, the value is more precise. If the reading match closely means here is a 2.2 ml of actual reading. In that reading, the your observed reading is also 10.2, means here is a precision is take place. Multiple choice of reading we take place and that time the precision is take place, or we closest to the reading or match the closestly reading. Now it's called as a precision. Precision is also expressed as a absolute deviation, and absolute deviation is correspond to observed value minus mean value. Now in that absolute value, now the error here is precision. Precision is expressed as a two forms of deviation. It's the first one is a absolute deviation and second one is a relative deviation. Absolute deviation means it corresponds to observed value minus mean value. We know that the observed value is, if you observing those value, it's called as a observed value minus mean. All of this reading will be take place and mean is available, or we can write down the mean or find out the mean value. Okay, absolute deviation means observed value minus mean value. Now the relative deviation. Relative deviation means the mean absolute deviation divided by mean value into 100%. This is the expressions of precision. Okay, the two measurements of the analytical measurement, it's called as a accuracy and precision. Accuracy means the true value, measurements of the true value, and true value is also called as a nearest the true value is also called as accuracy, and precision means closest the actual reading and repeat the multiple choice of the same quantities of reading. It's called as a precision. This is the difference between the accuracies and precision. Accuracy is expressed as a relative error and absolute error, and precision is expressed as a relative deviations and absolute deviation. Now next lecture we will discuss in that topic is numericals. We will discuss in a next lecture. Thank you.